Hello guys, a lot of you noticed if you follow this channel for a while that I'm quite interested in the topic of Laravel starter kits and how to make the development faster for starting the project. So we have our own new package Lara starters for that. There's also our quick admin panel, and also I shoot quite a lot of videos using Laravel Breeze or Laravel Jetstream or Laravel UI. But there are also alternative packages, alternative starters from the community, and today I want to present one of them is Laravel Frontend presets. It was created quite a long time ago. I think it was at the time of Laravel 6 or even 5.5, when there was no Breeze, no Jetstream, and there was still Laravel UI as a core of the Laravel itself. And this was the idea for the people to create their own presets and add to this. So Laravel Frontend presets, it's not a repository, it's even a vendor, the whole vendor with a lot of repositories inside. And today I want to present one of that, which is Tall Stack, which is kind of UI, Laravel UI, but including Livewire and Alpine. It's even the most popular of the repositories if you count the GitHub stars, 1.4 thousand stars. And if we take a look inside, scroll down, here's how it looks, the login form, and here's how to install it. So basically you need to install a new Laravel project, then install this package, and you will have a new design with Livewire. Let's take a look. So I have a new Laravel project for that. If we copy and paste this, let's install Livewire and Tall Stack. And by the way, did you know that you can do compose require and two packages with space separated? Okay, cool. Then we do artisan UI tall with auth, and then we compile npm assets, and let's see what's inside then. npm commands are successful, and this is our homepage. Not the default Laravel homepage, but a bit different. And again, it was created even before Laravel 8, so the homepage is more similar to Laravel 7 or Laravel 6 homepage. And if you go to, for example, register, here's how it looks. It's similar to Laravel UI, but just with a different design. And if we use fake filler Chrome extension to register, for example, you are inside of the application logged in. It doesn't have any dashboard or any menu items. It's just a starter kit similar to Laravel UI. Now, what is the difference between Laravel UI and this one? The code is Livewire. If we take a look at the code, in routes web PHP, we have login, register, password, resets, and everything related to auth, but the action is not the controller. Register class is a Livewire component, which means that basically if you go to register, let's log out and let's register. And if there is some validation error, for example, let's mismatch the password, the register button doesn't reload the full page. It's going through Livewire cycle, which validates without refreshing the full page. And you can then control it all in Livewire component. There are variables like name, email, and password. This validate then, again, doesn't reload the page, but if we do successfully register, then it redirects where it's intended. And if we take a look at register blade, for example, it's in resources views Livewire auth. Here we have form with wire submit to register and all the inputs with wire model lazy, like name, like wire model lazy email, and then at the end, wire model lazy password confirmation, for example. So it's almost the same as the good old Laravel UI, but translated to Livewire and with Tailwind design. So you can check that out at Laravel Frontend presets tall, and you can also browse other repositories in this list. There are some dashboards based on some themes, for example, white dashboard or Argon, for example. Let's take a look what's inside. Argon Frontend preset, which is based on Creative Tim's Argon theme, which I believe is free, so you can install that as well. Not sure if it's Tailwind or Bootstrap. I think it's Bootstrap, I guess. Actually, let's take a look. Let's click on Creative Tim link. Argon dashboard. If we read about that, so Bootstrap 4 admin dashboard. Okay, so yeah, this is one of the choices. There are more choices like white dashboard, material dashboard, now UI, paper, and a lot of that. So you may check them out as alternatives to other starter kits, or you can check out our recent Lara starters to get your new Laravel project running faster. Or if you want more than just a starter kit and you want to create menu items and roles and permissions and stuff like that, you can check out our quickadminpanel.com, which has the name of admin panel inside, but it's actually the structure for the whole database migrations, menu items, roles, permissions, and stuff like that. So generally how I used it myself in the past is I generate the structure of the project with Quick Admin Panel and then add the front end on top of that. But by that time, the migrations and the structure and the CRUDs are already created. So you may check that out as well, and you will support this channel by purchasing the Quick Admin Panel. So thanks for that, and see you guys in other videos.